So you finally saved up a hefty chunk of change. Congratulations. But where do you put it? A traditional bank account might be safe, but the interest rates these days are about as exciting as watching paint dry. That's where SoFi comes in. SoFi offers a variety of financial tools, including checking and savings accounts that boast seriously competitive interest rates. Sounds tempting, right? But before you go on a SoFi shopping spree, there's one crucial question: how much money can you actually transfer into your SoFi account? That's what we're here to crack open today. We'll dive into the nitty-gritty of SoFi's transfer limits, explore some factors that might influence those limits, and even chat about some alternative ways to get your money into SoFi if you're rocking a monster stack of cash. So, buckle up and get ready to learn how to supercharge your savings strategy with SoFi's help. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. The good news is SoFi boasts some pretty generous transfer limits. In general, you can blast up to $100,000 into your SoFi account in a single day using ACH transfers, which are those electronic transfers you initiate from your bank account. That's a hefty sum, and for most people, it's more than enough to transfer their entire paycheck or savings in one go. However, hold on to your horses for just a sec. While $100,000 sounds like a magic number, it's not guaranteed for everyone. SoFi, like most financial institutions, has some security measures in place to prevent fraud. This means your personal transfer limit might be a bit lower depending on a few key factors. First up, SoFi considers your account history. If you're a brand new SoFi member, your transfer limit might be a bit lower than someone who's been using SoFi for years. This is totally normal. Think of it like building trust with SoFi. The longer you're a member and the more you use your account responsibly, the more likely SoFi is to bump up your transfer limit. Another factor is your overall account activity. If you're constantly transferring large sums of cash in and out, SoFi might raise an eyebrow and temporarily lower your limit. This is just a precaution to make sure everything is on the up and up. Now, let's say you're a high roller with a mountain of cash you want to move to SoFi. No worries, there are still ways to get your money in, even if you surpass the standard ACH transfer limit. For starters, you can break down your transfer into smaller chunks over a few days. It's not ideal, but it gets the job done. Another option is a wire transfer. Wire transfers are super fast and can handle much larger sums of money than ACH transfers. However, there's a catch. Wire transfers typically come with fees, so this might not be the most cost-effective solution for everyone. Finally, if you're dealing with truly massive amounts of cash, you might want to consider contacting SoFi directly. They have dedicated customer service representatives who can help you explore alternative transfer options for those truly eye-watering sums. So, to recap, SoFi's standard ACH transfer limit is a very respectable $100,000, but it can vary depending on your account history and activity. If you need to move a larger amount, there are still ways to get your money into SoFi, from splitting your transfer into smaller chunks to exploring wire transfers or even contacting SoFi directly. Remember, the key is to be aware of the limits and choose the transfer method that best suits your needs. With a little planning, you can easily leverage SoFi's competitive interest rates to watch your savings grow like a well-watered beanstalk. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.